Good day, everyone. We are 2 BSc English, and this is our research on ED1. For our first proposed research title, it is entitled The Impact of Multitasking in the Academic Performances of Education Students in University of Rizal System, Taytay Campus. First, we are going to introduce ourselves.
Good day, my name is Elisa O. Rojas.
My name is Bayali M. Nok.
My name is Lovely C. Abraham.
I'm Abigail Galios.
I'm Ana Maureen Bigay.
And for the first part of our research is the abstract, which is going to be reported by Ms. Nock.
Okay, thank you so much. So, the abstract of our research is this research proposed that multitasking behavior influence creativity on the task based on the experience that students aims in the field of studying. Along with multitasking increase activation and cognitive flexibility that result in a positive effect to the standard of the students. And to conduct our survey, we are going to base the experience of the students who are encountering multiple tasks. And to carry out that analysis with this research, the methodology of quantitative research was used and a questionnaire was administered to collect the data from the experience of the target respondents in the University of Rizal System, Taytay Campus. And to analyze the positive impact of the multitasking to the newcomer of the students. Since we are focusing to the positive impact of the research. And to further analyze the positive impact, we are going to collect the positive variables of the research. And next is the objective of the research.
For the objectives of the research, the following are some objectives that were set to conduct this study. Number one, to understand the nature of multitasking to the performance of the students. Number two, to associate the stress where students experience in the field of multitasking. Number three, to aims the enormous cost of multitasking to the performance of the students. And lastly, to emphasize the important effects provided for students generation to generation.
For the problem of the study, despite increasing stress to the multiple tasks, it takes the performances and attentions build the effective skills in scheduling, organization, prioritization, and delegation. In some research studies about the negative effects of multitasking that may affect the behavior of the students about facing the encountering tasks, multitaskers understand the difficulties of acquiring multiple tasks, but they bring them to the well-organized and higher productivity. Furthermore, to train the students to become more functional and operational to tasks that students influence the negative effect of the multitasking or aims the enormous cost that will provide them to be more critical and productive. So as with the presentation, as most of the previous studies that has been conducted by many researchers has their results as negative for multitasking, this research or the problem of this study is to provide positive effects of multitasking on the students' academic of performances or experience in multitasking.
For our research methodology, we use quantitative research to design and employ to conduct this study to measure the favorable impact associated with the use of experience, tests from words to data, the students to the academic performances. Using purposive sampling technique, first-year students in the university, first-timer, and repeated students enrolled in URST are selected to this study. A survey questionnaire was used to extract the data from the participants, which result with reliable to determine the data according to the experience the students have been obtained in the fields of the learning system.
Next is the subject of our study. The subject of our study is that students in first year that officially enrolled to the university are the selected respondents. Each section is included to the conducted survey, as well as students represent the age from 15 and above is chosen as a quantitative group of this study. Also, the respondents who participate in the survey is either listed as an honor student or not. And the respondents are the students from first year in all courses in the University of Rizal System, Taytay Campus. So the positive total numbers of the students are chosen to study the process. Next is the settings of the study. So since we are going to conduct our study in the University of URS in Taytay Campus, the settings of our study will take in the University of Rizal System, Taytay Campus. And here is the location of the URS Taytay that we're going to conducted survey. And moreover, the study decided to conduct the research in the University of Rizal System, Taytay Campus, who are experiencing multitasking in the field of their academic performances. And next is the scope and limitation of the study.
So, scope and limitation is focused on how the students maintain their ability to come up with tasks given to them amidst to multiple tasks facing in the University of Rizal system. So, in this study, we prepare some questionnaire and survey as reference. And we decided to choose some students to respond in our prepared question with the age of 15 years old and above. And all the respondents should be officially enrolled in the University of Rizal System, Taytay Campus. Next.
Source of data. This study uses primary data collection techniques to gathering the experience of the respondent student. It is suitable to collect data through survey, which having a provided question using a modern style. Questionnaire, it is also employed to extract the data for a good extensive inquiries. We use the primary data for our research, and also we gathering their insight information and experience from our respondents regarding our research. We collected data through our survey to provided using a modern style. For our questionnaire, we employed to extract data based of our respondents who answered in a survey.
So that's all of the informations or the parts that we are going to discuss for the first proposed title. Thank you.